Dress appropriately and maintain confident posture to be a perfect professional person. Look, wear clean, well-fitted clothing that aligns with your workplace culture. Avoid overly casual or flashy outfits unless appropriate. Pay attention to grooming, neat hair, clean nails, etc. Body language. Stand and sit up straight. Avoid slouching and maintain eye contact when speaking or listening. Use purposeful gestures and avoid fidgeting. A firm handshake, if applicable, and a genuine smile can also convey confidence and professionalism. Combining a polished appearance with confident body language creates a strong professional impression.